All right, y'all, Brendan here with Southern Star Roofing. I just want to do a quick video here to show what we're looking at when we start talking about blistering. A lot of times people will diagnose a roof with hail damage, where in fact it is just blistering. And you always see it more on your south facing slopes, where the sun's beating down on your shingles most of the year, and your north facing slopes will usually lag behind as far as that blistering effect. So I just wanted to get a close-up of some of this blistering so you can see the little pitting on these shingles. Sometimes hard to see through the lens of a camera, but I think this is some of the best I've found as far as a good representation of blistering. And then I want to show you a north facing slope where the blistering has yet to take place. We're just walking over the ridge here. We'll take a look. These shingles still have a good bit of granule life to them. A lot of roofers will misdiagnose this blistering for hail, as mentioned, and it's important to have a roofer that knows the difference so you don't put a claim in when indeed it's just an old roof. So that's all I got for you today. I'm Brendan with Southern Star Roofing here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We've got locations here in Charlotte, Asheville, and Greenville, South Carolina. Y'all take care. Be blessed.